building 11 is the same one, but they are connected to each other.
Yeah.
These workers, so they are pentacles. What does it say? Right now, really interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, the door closer. It was built in 1955. It must have been modernized sometime in the early or mid 2000s with Kone fixtures.
Yeah.
Maybe, I think the inner doors were added then also. Probably. Beautiful cabin here.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. With the 11 floors or 12, but the basement floor is not. And this number is, it doesn't have it here, but the other one has it.
Yeah.
That you can watch also there. Let's go back to the ground floor. It is also too slow for 12 volts, I think.
Yeah.
But it was built like this in 1955, so we can understand that.
Yeah.
Still, they also did some faster ones, but not so much then.
Yeah.
Still very cozy elevators, despite these inner doors.
Yeah.
You can press here. So the emergency light is hanging there.
Yeah.
Strange. It should be fixed.
Yeah.
And somebody ripped it. Or I don't know. So, to the basement floor, they can just use the same key as for the doors to the outside, or from outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, or profile doors you can call them.
Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
See if it will be used. Not now.
No. Yeah.
Can take pictures now.
Yeah.
It was absolutely worth coming inside this.
Yeah.
Still, I believe this is one of the best taller elevators in Stockholm still today.
Yeah.
But I don't know about Bandhagsplan, but it's on YouTube at least. And they, fortunately, they destroyed the Kista Science Tower.
Yeah.
I will never go there, but Malmö is turning it also if they're still there with 57% altitude. So
Yeah.
we will see later. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed these elevators as much as we enjoyed them.
Yeah.
Even though they were slow, but still very nice.
That's